Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over the new clearance markdowns and penny list for this week at Dollar General. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded a ton of videos for you all this week, so if you missed out on any of them, make sure that you go and check them out, and keep in mind that today is Saturday, and we do have a lot of digital coupons expiring at DG, so make sure that you go and check out that 5 off $25 video. Now, let's go ahead and jump right into our new Dollar General clearance markdowns. Now, this first one is on select halogen light bulbs. These are going down to 50% off starting on Monday, January the 30th. So, I'm going to go ahead and let these scroll across your screen here. There are quite a few included. We have a lot of the GE brand light bulbs as well as True Living light bulbs. And we also have some DG Home brand light bulbs. In fact, I went into my Dollar General store a couple of days ago, and they pretty much had the entire light bulb section marked for clearance. So, y'all just keep that in mind. These are all going to be 50% off starting on Monday. And we normally don't get any deals on light bulbs unless we catch them on clearance like this right here. Now, I also wanted to go ahead and mention that this is the second time that Dollar General has done a big clearance markdown on Monday instead of Tuesday in the last few months. So I'm not quite sure what's going on with that, if that's going to become a regular thing or not. But you guys just make sure that you have those notifications turned on and set them to all. That way you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Now, I also wanted to talk to you guys really quick about this light bulb in particular right here. This is the DG Home Halogen 1 count light bulb 40 watt. Now, these are normally $1. They are currently 10% off, so they are at 90 cents. And they are on sale right now, buy one and get two for free. So if you wanted to go and pick these up today, you could actually get 3 of these light bulbs for just 90 cents. Now, if this sale carries over into next week, which we will not know until tomorrow, which is Sunday, which is the beginning of the new sales week at Dollar General. But if this sale does carry over, these light bulbs will either be marked down to 45 cents or 50 cents each. And with this sale, you can either pick up 3 for 45 cents or 3 for 50 cents, which is a really amazing deal. So I'll definitely keep you guys updated on that, and I'll probably just do a quick update in the new coupons and glitches video tomorrow morning. All right, now also this week at Dollar General, we have a new markdown on our Christmas clearance item. So this clearance markdown will include all of our Christmas categories except for the holiday storage items. So starting on Tuesday, January the 31st, we have all of our Christmas clearance categories except for the holiday storage going down to just 10 cents. Now, this clearance markdown will also include our New Year's party supplies. Those will also be going down to 10 cents starting on Tuesday, January the 31st. Now, we're going to go ahead and do a quick rundown of what exactly is included in our Christmas clearance markdowns, because we do have a few more exclusions that we need to talk about as well. So for our first category that will be included, we have our Christmas seasonal items. So you guys want to be on the lookout for those red price tags and hang tags. Now, we do have a few items that are excluded from this category, including gift wrap, lights, trees, tree ribbon and bows, foldable boxes, gift ribbon and tags, Christmas cards, and outdoor decor. So if you guys find any of these items, they're probably going to be ringing up full price at the register. So I did include a few examples of some of the items that are included in this category. However, I would highly recommend that you guys go back and check out our Christmas clearance visual videos for more items that are included. All right, so for our next category that will be included, we have our Christmas home decor items. So you guys want to be on the lookout for those green price tags, and make sure that you visit all of your NCI or home stores and check down that middle aisle, because you just never know what you're going to find until you get out there and start looking. All right, up next we have our Christmas pet category also included, and unfortunately the pet advent calendar is the only item that I have been able to find so far. If you guys have found anything different, please let me know down in the comments. All right, the next category that will be included, we have our Christmas stationery and book category. So you guys want to be on the lookout for those paper plates and napkins. We have some pens that are included, as well as quite a few coloring books. Now, not all of the coloring books are included. Again, make sure that you go back and check out those Christmas clearance visual videos to see everything that is included in this category. All right, up next we have our Christmas apparel category going down to just 10 cents starting on Tuesday. So be on the lookout for those holiday socks. We have different patterns and different styles to look for. Now, also included in this category, we have those holiday pajama sets as well as the holiday leggings. And again, I do have tons of the UPC codes for the different sizes and the different patterns in those Christmas clearance visual videos. All right, up next, we have our Christmas gift set category. Now, y'all keep in mind that this does not include all purple tagged gift sets. A lot of those will be sticking around until after Valentine's Day. So here's a look at a few of the ones that are included. Again, if you want a full list with UPC codes, make sure that you go and check out those Christmas clearance visual videos. All right, up next, we have our Christmas air care category, also going down to just 10 cents. So all those amazing name brand holiday scented items like Glade, Febreze, and Airwick. And again, these are just a few that are included. We have a huge air care category. So again, go and check out those visual videos if you haven't already. Now, I do want to go ahead and remind you all that a lot of those coupons that we had for these products do expire today on the 28th or the 29th. But we will still have this one digital coupon for the Airwick products. It's $175 off one. That one will not expire until February the 11th. But fingers crossed, hopefully we will get some new air care coupons tomorrow. All right, also included, we have our Christmas candy category. Now, there are a lot of hidden clearance items with this category. So again, make sure that you go and check out those visual videos. That way you'll have all of the information that you need and you'll know exactly what to look for. All right, and last but not least, we have our Christmas baking category going down to 10 cents starting on Tuesday. And I know a lot of people are really stocking up on some of these items because they're finding them in their regular section or in their clearance section. Just a lot of hidden clearance items because the employees aren't realizing that they are included. So I'm going to highly recommend that you all go back and watch those Christmas clearance visual videos part 1, 2, and 3 because I literally packed in hundreds, and I do mean hundreds, of pictures and UPC codes. I spent hours upon hours upon hours in the store taking those pictures and then making slides for you all. So even if you watched it once or twice, I can guarantee you probably missed a few items. So make sure that you go back and watch those one more time. And all of those are going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. And then also this week I did upload my Christmas haul whenever all those items hit 25 cents, and there are some new items in that video as well. So like I said, all of those videos are going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. All right, and last but not least, let's go ahead and talk about the penny list for this week at Dollar General. Now, unfortunately, so far I have not received any new information about a penny list for this week. However, that could change. I am getting a lot of information coming in, so y'all make sure that you stay tuned and turn on those notifications. That way you don't miss out on any awesome deals. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for me for now. Before you go, if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. It's right down below this video and it is completely free. Y'all know what else is free? Hitting that thumbs up button and leaving a smile down in the comment section below, and it really does help your girl out. So if you could, please do those two things before you leave, and then take a second and share this video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.